When you go to the hospital, I'm talking about a hospital that understands how to treat human beings professionally, constructively, well-structured hospital. The first thing you do when you talk to your doctor, of course, the doctor will listen. The next thing is to get to know the root and source of the challenges in your body. If you're complaining about fever or you're having temperature, we'll tell you to go and take malaria treatment, whatever it is, or take your blood sample for screening. Same thing with screening tests. The truth is, before, you can't explain why do I get angry? Why do I smoke? Why am I not predictable? Why do I act like a pendulum? What's going on with me? I'm just weird. I'm not normal. I'm the kind of a person that would always want to gamble. I want to steal. I want to lie. I want to pretend. I mask my life. The beautiful thing is, in mending lives, we don't treat without screening. We screen you. We know the source of your problem, with the challenges you have, then we'll treat it. No good doctor will ever say, oh, he had a fracture. Let's quickly go to the theater. No, you do an X-ray. X-ray will show the point in which you are fractured. Then they can take you to the theater and follow the rudiment or the prototype or the protocol of your report. Same with screening tests. If you're struggling with any sexual addiction, anger addiction, emotional pendulum, conflict in your marriage, the screening test will give us the exact challenge you are going through. Show us what is the root, the inlet to your mental, emotional, psychological struggle. Apart from that, the screening test will give us the diagnosis, the prognosis, and the sessions of therapy you will need. The report will show us how to treat you. And beautifully, we now have 90 days recovery material for your treatment. We have the workbook. Another good news, you don't have to be religious to be healed emotionally. No doctor treats you because you are religious. The truth is, you can be treated faith-based and non-faith-based. I think there is no other thing you are looking for than to know the root of the problem, solve it, and become the best version of yourself. Don't let anyone gamble with your emotions, your mental health, your emotional health, your psychological health. Life is too precious to gamble with your life. The truth is, anyone that treats you without screening you is guessing. Stop guessing, start screening. Looking forward to you being complete and total. Thank you so much.